In this video, we'll cover how to submit homework assignments as a student. Let's start on the courses page and select the name of our course. We see that homework 1 is not yet submitted. We also see the release date, the due date, and how long we have left to submit this assignment. Since our instructor has enabled late submissions for this assignment, we also see the late due date over here. Note that submissions uploaded after the due date and before the late due date may be subject to penalties as determined by the instructor. Let's select homework 1. If this were a timed assignment, the first thing we would have seen here is a message explaining how many minutes we have to submit work. In this case, although we of course have a due date, there won't be a time limit on our work session. Okay, so we see that our instructor has allowed us to view our assignment template with the questions we'll be answering. So we click this link to view it, and if our instructor has asked us to, we can then download it, print it, and complete our work right on the printout. In this case, the instructor would like us to complete the answers to these problems from the textbook on our own paper. We can also see that our instructor has given us multiple options for submitting work. So if we wanted, we could upload individual images for each question, but in this case, we're going to submit a single PDF for our work. We select the scanned handwritten version of this assignment that's saved on our device. If you're submitting a PDF of handwritten work and you don't have a scanner, you can use the scanning app on your phone to do this. For more on that though, check out the help site article on scanning work on a mobile device. And now we upload this to Gradescope. Because it's a variable length assignment, we're prompted to match which page corresponds to each of the questions from the homework. This is based on the outline that our instructor made before the assignment was released. We can select multiple questions using the Shift key, and then we can zoom in, rotate, or reorder the pages as we need to. In this submission, question 3 is on the second page, so we're going to mark that accordingly. If this had been a fixed length assignment like a worksheet, our instructor would already know where our answers should be and would have marked that on their assignment outline. So for that type of submission, we wouldn't need to assign pages, and we'd see a submission confirmation message as soon as we upload a PDF. We click Submit and we'll receive an email receipt to let us know the submission was successful. On the right, we can see the assignment outline and point values, and on the left, we see our actual submission. If we want, we can reselect the pages, download the submission, or resubmit as many times as we'd like before the due date passes or our time limit runs out if our assignment had been timed. On this page, we can also see the status of the homework, which is still ungraded. So we'll come back to the View Submissions page when our instructor is finished grading the assignment.